Hello everyone, this is Orhan. In this video, I'm going to continue time value of money calculations and solve a problem about interest rates. So in this question, there's a guy, Joe, who borrowed $6,000 now, which is an inflow, and he's going to pay back $7,500 back in 5 years. So there's no payment in between. So the question is asking us the anticipated average annual compound rate of interest that the bank will receive. So let's just enter every variables to the box that I provided here. So PV, which is the loan present value, is going to be $6,000. Just click the cell and write $6,000. And then future value is going to be 7,500. Okay, 7,500, but it needs to be minus because it's going to be an outflow. So you need to just write minus here. In the interest rate we are asked to calculate. I'm just skipping it for a moment. And the second one is number of periods, which is n in Excel. Okay, number of years, which is 5. Okay. And then click the cell, the yellow cell, and write the command. The command is the command function is rate. Okay, in Excel, rate calculates the interest rate. And then when you just write rate and open the parentheses, it asks you a couple of parameters. The first one is NPER, which is the number of periods. Just click the cell. And the second one is PMT, which is the periodic payments between the loan and the last payment. So there is no periodic payment in this question. There's only one loan and one payment back. And then the third one is going to be present value, which is the loan you borrowed, okay, $6,000. And the fourth one is the future value, so this is this one. So I entered every parameter here in this cell, and then when you hit enter button, you'll get the interest rate. Okay, I'm just enlarging the box so that you can see every detail here. Okay, that's it. Hope to see you in the next videos.